Hey everyone, in this video, I'm gonna guide you how you can hide the MIT App Inventor branding from their apps. So, how we can do this? As you can see here, whenever you create any app, you will see the three dots, right? So, let me show you on my screen here, okay? You can see this is my screen. Once I click on three dots, you will see the option of stop this application, about this application, and settings. Let's click on the about this application, and you will see here the invented with MIT App Inventor or their website name, okay? Now, I wanna hide this. Okay, so how we can do this? Click on got it. Now in the screen, you will see the about screen. Click on the screen, click on the about screen. And here we need to write, okay, one code, okay, cheat code. And that code is less than exclamation mark like this and use the double hyphen, one hyphen and then second hyphen. Okay, go to the your app. Now let's refresh it. Now let me just click on three dot about this application. Now you can see nothing about this app. Now you can write about yourself. Suppose, hi, this app is developed by TCB. Okay. And now when you see that here, developed my TCB, okay, by TCB, you can say anything, right? So this is how you can hide the app inventor branding from your app. So this is the trick if you want. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.